Alright guys, Cameron is teaching me how to make this thing called devil eggs, which I've heard is a bomb. And like, thank you bro.
Yeah,
Thank you for
true
doing this.
American legendary dish.
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
know if it's really from there, but it's delicious.
That's what I've heard. And like, this was part of his idea for Thanksgiving meal, but hey, we couldn't do that, but at least we're doing this today.
Oh man, shit on me.
I mean, he talked a big game, man. We're like,
yeah, dude, I can't find any of the ingredients here. Not even like turkey without like getting like $100.
alright, man. So, how far are we? How far along are we in the process?
Dude, we just
Tell us the process, bro. How do you make devil eggs, Chef Cameron?
Boil eggs. Then you're gonna mix. You're gonna deshell the eggs, cut them in half.
So we have like these are like almost 21 egg yolks here, and these like 18 eggs right here, right?
18 eggs with
Some
some
of them here, right?
And so, yeah, so we got about like a recipe and a half for this. We're gonna be using mayo, vinegar, white vinegar, then we're gonna use like a little sugar, a little salt, a little pepper.
Yeah.
And then paprika, I think, as well as we have. So
Yeah.
that's gonna be the traditional
We're gonna
style.
have to ask my mom about all of this stuff because I know nothing. Yeah, so
You'll learn, man.
yeah, definitely.
Alright, so I think the next step we're gonna do is put some mayo in.
Well, let's put the other mayo, which is the good mayo, in it
Okay,
first.
but I don't know, alright, yeah.
So that's like the real mayo. This is like vegetarian bullshit.
Okay, give me a second. Okay.
Bro, we could have like made our own mayo, you know? It's so easy to make mayo. Just put like egg in a blender and some oil and just lemon. Bro, that's it. And you just like blend it together and it becomes mayo, bro. You didn't know that?
Nope. Never
Shit.
really was curious about what mayo
Dang, bro.
making
It's
process.
so tasty, bro. And
That's
you can
funny.
make it in like 5 minutes. All you need, guys, like eggs, oil, and lemon. And like some salt in it if you fucking like your mayo not to like taste saltless and tasteless. Alright, bitches, so follow Chef Raj. Alright, man. Mayonnaise is going in right now. We got this original German mayonnaise. Yeah? Hellman's mayonnaise, yeah? There you go, Chef, there you go.
Nah, I think we got it right here. If I might even be overdoing it a little bit just to get the right.
Really?
So I need 1 teaspoon of white sugar.
1 teaspoon of?
I need a teaspoon of white sugar.
White sugar?
Yeah,
Alright.
and just a.
There you go, bro.
You got a teaspoon?
Yeah, there's a teaspoon in there.
Oh shit.
Yep. Put a whole like teaspoon of it.
That's not a teaspoon.
It is a teaspoon.
All right. Yeah.
Yep.
These are big grains though. We'll see how well it stirs up.
Oh.
But we also can I keep using this one?
No, it's just for sugar. You can take another
I
one.
need a teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon prepared mustard.
There. Take
Okay.
this teaspoon.
Oh wait, this one I actually need. Sorry for another half dose.
Okay.
So this one for the vinegar, white vinegar.
Alright. There you go. Open it. I pour it in the spoon.
Yeah.
Be careful with it. Damn, bro, you're getting me a copyright while making the video. You gotta put this on YouTube, bro. You know, like if there's music in it, can we put it on YouTube or no?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so. It's my music, whatever. I mean, I'll promote you in my video. You got the background right here. Not that they need any credit, but it's Malcolm and Ryan Lewis. Shout out to all of them making good music.
Oh yeah, so we put in the vinegar also now. So we put in sugar, mayo, vinegar.
Sugar, mayo, vinegar,
Yep.
with a little bit of prepared mustard. But if you don't have that, you can just use a regular mustard,
Okay, what's prepared mustard?
like homemade, or,
Okay,
like,
okay.
yeah, or specialty. Like
How do you
usually
make
it's
it at
Dijon.
home, bro?
You know how to make it at home, dude. I don't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't know how to make mustard.
You were like being all homemade, like it's fucking normal.
No, I mean just saying like people make their own. I don't do that.
Open
I
that
think,
shit
yeah.
first, bro.
Sorry, bro. Dude, I need to
Did you
put
put some of it on your shirt?
Yeah, I got some on my shirt.
Cheers this. Mix. Half teaspoon of salt. 2 spoons salt.
And half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah.
Yeah. Use a spoon. Half. More, a little bit more. Yeah, and I think that's good. So now you gotta mash it together.
Yeah.
So we have that thing. If I just put the battery in it, I think that'll be easy. You can do it with this.
Yeah, I can. It'll take a while though.
Yeah. You want me to put the battery in there?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
But you can cut this.
Alright. So we're finally done with the deviled eggs, and the judge will be Papa.
It is the best eggs that I have ever eaten.
But you haven't even eaten it. You haven't even eaten it yet.
No,
he
tasted
hasn't.
it.
He hasn't. Just he ate the filling. Alright, bro. You also go for it.
So it's a good dish of the eggs.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Praise the Lord.
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving, God.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Praise the Lord.
Mm.
Wow. It's much better after putting in the fridge.
It has a certain ting to it. Thing to it.
It's good.
Sit down, sit down. Be at home.
Nice. Gets a thumbs up.
Our Sakshi has also learned to.
Delicious, very good.
So his hard work paid off. Everyone likes it.
Thank you, thank you. It's the closest I could get to this.
God bless you. बहुत ही tasty है.
बहुत बढ़िया बना. मेरे को तो लग रहा था ये so many eggs.
Yeah.
So we need.
Should we give to Rishu also?
We can have 10 more.
Better mircha.
They go very quick. They go very quick in like Thanksgiving time. Like my entire family, they'll make like 60, and like we all get in a line. There's many people in there, and like by the time the line goes through, all the deviled eggs gone. There's only one turn. We have to be like greedy and sharing. Like